Hi, I'm Lids, I love Excel, and this is a series where I show you simple things to level up your workbooks. In today's example, we're going to look at 3 simple formulas that will really improve your Excel game. The first one we're going to look at is a subtotal formula. So what we are going to do is click in the cell you want your subtotal, go equals subtotal open brackets. Now you will see there are many options here for subtotal. I'm going to go for 9 for a sum, and then I'm going to select the range that I want subtotaled up. Now this might look like a simple sum formula to you. The benefit comes when you have filters, because you'll see as I put different filters on, it updates that formula to subtotal only the information I can see on screen. This is an invaluable tool for really making your spreadsheets user-friendly. Next, we're going to look at the text formula. This is a simple way to change information into simple text. So what we'll do is click equals, write the word text, open brackets, select the data we might want to change. In this first example, I want to see that the month only. So I'm going to go quotation marks, 3M so I get the full word month, close quotation, close brackets. The second example here I'll show you is year, so I'll just type the same options but YYY and it will give me the year in that date. The third option I'm going to show you is going to show me the actual day, so I'm putting 4D so I get the day spelt out. And in the last option I'm just going to get it to show me the day and the month. So I'm going to select the value again, DD, so I just get the actual day, dash MM for month. There's many options here, but it's a really underutilized feature. The last formula we'll look at is a SumIf. This is really handy to sum information based on a criteria. So what you're going to do is go equals SumIf open bracket. First of all, select where that large amount of data that we're going to look through is. Now you'll see I'm selecting the whole column. I'm doing this so as I add more information, it will automatically come up. Pop a comma. I'm going to come back to my tab. I'll click on the criteria I want it to match. So in this case, red, comma, and then I'm going to go back to my data and select the column that I want it to sum up. So anytime it sees the word red, it's going to sum it in this column. Close bracket and hit enter, and now I can just drag that formula down. Thanks for watching. Let me know what other tips you're interested in learning in the comments below.